everyone, welcome back to another edition of the Combustion Guys Energy Drink Monday.
Yeah.
And today we have a little baby energy drink, the pink edition Red Bull Wild Berries Energy Drink.
I thought it might be cotton candy for a minute there.
Wild berries,
Wild
yeah.
berries.
8.4 fluid ounce. So a little bit of a smaller one. Yeah, 8.4.
Wow. We brought the monster ahead of time.
Exactly, just in case. Alright, so we got ourselves 110 calories in the important factoids. We got ourselves 90 milligrams of sodium, 28 grams of carbohydrates, 26 grams of sugar. We got 100% of niacin, 250% of B6, 50% of lovely acid, and 80% of B12. And there is a whopping 80 milligrams of caffeine in the entire can. That is pathetic for Red Bull. 120 by all means, but 80, wow, that is like...
What a dainty little energy drink
Yes.
that is.
Like, typically, I'd say
Somebody
running
you
like
know-
140 typically in like
Yeah.
the 12-ounce cans.
If somebody you know
Wow.
has their car all accented in pink, then you just get them one of those to go in a cup holder.
Yeah, it just needs to sit there. Yeah, it doesn't get used, it just sits there.
Right. It
Alrighty.
tastes pretty good.
Definitely berry. Oh wow, that dingy berry.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's expensive for diesel. Wow.
A little bit sour,
Okay.
sweet,
Okay. Got a lot going on.
tart.
Weird.
I mean, the flavor is like pow. So I mean, it does pack a punch on the
Apparently
flavor.
They must have just picked all the berries out of the field and stuck them right in there.
And then forgot to add all the caffeine.
Oh wow.
It's
Got a lot going on there.
it's a lot. And you can get all kinds of flavors all at one time. It is really,
A lot more emphasis on the sour.
yeah. Like a little tart, a little sour, a little bit of sweet, a little bit of what's the other
With
one?
the way it tastes, you wouldn't think it was actually calories.
That too, yeah. Punch into that. That is for sure.
A lot of berries.
That is fascinating. Yeah. That's basically so. Yeah.
Would I get that again?
Wild berries.
No.
No, but I mean, the flavor profile is definitely very, very pow in your face, which is surprising with the can.
It's got a lot going on.
You can't really denote any one berry, I don't think, but
Unless it's the sour one.
it's definitely the sour one. It's like, whoa. Blah, 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 blah. So, I would say, for the caffeine content, I mean, basically you're drinking a soda at that point. It's not
Like a
really,
Dr.
not really an
Pepper,
energy
yeah.
drink, yeah. So, I mean, it's not bad, but it just, on the energy drink scale, it's like way below here.
I mean, one whole can of Mountain Dew has what, 54?
Yeah, 54 milligrams of
Or is
caffeine.
it a little bit, or is that 50
That's a 12 ounce.
per 8 ounces?
That's a 12-ounce soda can. That's got 50-ish milligrams.
So I guess 80 for 8.4 ounces isn't too bad. So
yeah, but
I'm
compared
not
to
sure what they're...
compared to what it's usually at, which is 140 in the 12-ounce, that's a little pitiful. But anyways, interesting. Yep. But definitely, if you're looking for something that is a pow in your face with sour, definitely something
out.
worthy to try. It's definitely more for the flavor than it is the caffeine, I would imagine. So, anyways, interesting. Red Bull, the pink edition. Check it out if you like it. Let us know. I'd say it's probably an odd tea. Yeah, it's like flavor, good. Calories, good. Caffeine, bad. Anyways.
If it had any mango, it may have done better.
Yeah, mango berry. Anyways, I don't know. But anyways, guys, that's it for us. Hopefully, I'll see you guys here next time. Bye-bye.